The concept of scale and applications of scale in technical drawing. In technical drawing, scale allows an object to be drawn smaller or larger than its actual size. In other words, the ratio between the size shown on the drawing and the actual size of the object is called the scale. The formula is quite simple. Scale is obtained by dividing the drawing size by the actual size. There are three basic types of scale in technical drawing: full scale, reduction scale, and enlargement scale. Full scale is used when a part can be drawn at its actual size. In this case, the scale is 1:1, written as 1:1. This means that the size on the drawing is exactly the same as the actual size of the object. If the part to be drawn is very large, it may not fit within the drawing area. In this case, a reduction scale is used. For example, when drawing the plan of a building, the drawing is usually prepared at a scale such as 1/50 or 1:100. In a drawing prepared at a scale of 1:100, a length that is actually 1 meter is shown as 1 centimeter on the drawing. Examples of reduction scales include 1:2, 1:5, 1:10, 1:50, and 1:100. In some cases, the part may be very small. If the normal views of a small part are too small, the details cannot be seen clearly and dimensioning cannot be done properly. In this situation, the person reading the drawing may not understand the details correctly, and production errors may occur. To solve this problem, an enlargement scale is used. With an enlargement scale, small details are shown more clearly. For example, drawings can be prepared at scales such as 2:1, 5:1, or 10:1. This means that the object is shown several times larger than its actual size. Now, let us look at the main points that should be considered when using scales. Even if a part is drawn enlarged or reduced, the dimensions written on the drawing must always show the actual dimensions of the part. Angles do not change when the scale changes. The scale of the drawing must be clearly stated in the title block. If more than one scale is used in the same drawing, the relevant scale should be written next to each view. This prevents confusion and ensures that the drawing is understood in the same way by everyone. It should also be remembered that the selected scale must be appropriate for both the size of the part and the size of the drawing paper used.